Your home is your sanctuary, your safe haven. But what happens when it's not so safe anymore? When the roof is damaged, leaks, or is just too old to do its job correctly? That's where Denny's Roofing, LLC, Denver comes in. Our team of experts will handle everything for you, whether it's a roof repair or a complete replacement. We're the premier roofing contractor in Denver, specializing in all kinds of roofing services. We pride ourselves on providing exceptional service, using only the best materials to ensure that your roof will last for years to come. We offer a wide range of roofing materials, including asphalt shingles, metal roofing, and tile roofing. Our team can help you choose the perfect material for your home's unique needs. We provide cost-effective pricing to ensure your roofing project is affordable and aligned with your budget. Contact us at 970-545-0020 and experience top-notch service from a team of roofing experts. And for more information on our roofing services, visit www.dennysroofingllc.com/denver-roofing-company. Let Denny's Roofing, LLC, Denver take care of your roof so you can know your property is protected.